Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is a life vlog video, and I know some of you guys have requested that I actually show my face on some of the life vlog videos where I'm talking. So I thought, well, why not? So anyway, and I can't guarantee I'll do it all the time because a lot of times I upload these in advance, but today I happen to be uploading it today. So anyway, today's video, really the life vlog, is mostly about my husband Hugh has celebrated his 60th birthday party, and so we had a little party for him at the church, but it's also celebrating his 29th year as lead pastor at Christian Assembly of God in Sherwood, Arkansas. So I'd like to say congratulations, Pastor Hugh. We are very proud of you, and we love you very much, and so I'm proud to be part of this life journey with you. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and see. Most of it, like I said, was some stuff at the church, the celebration. But then after church, we went to Big Buck Classic, and that was in Little Rock, Arkansas. And I didn't get too much filming on that, but I did get a few things, some of the big truck and some fish and a few things like that. So hope you guys enjoy, and be sure and stay tuned tomorrow because I have a stitch of the week and I'm working on my tutorial. So today I will be working on tutorials and things like that here at the home and working on some new patterns that I'm designing for you guys. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I love you.
For you, let's turn it the right way. It says happy birthday, Pastor Hugh, and they all signed it. And they signed it in cursive. I was so proud. So there's the birthday card from Miss Eden. And you know that you like Lifesavers, Fertility Ranchers, this kind of place is kind of fine. We got to see what those originals. So happy birthday. We love you. Yes, we do, right? So there you are. Thank you, Sir Paul. You do love me very, very much.
We got anybody else who'd like to share something about our wonderful pastor?
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.